Introducing David Achom, a name synonymous with excellence in wealth management and financial empowerment. An American certified wealth manager, Nigerian business magnate, and philanthropist, David stands at the helm of innovation as the founder and executive chairman of Afro Money Week Limited, the visionary force behind the celebrated Lagos Money Week. As the dynamic CEO of Pace Setters Entrepreneurs Network, PEN Global Group, David Achom's impact is nothing short of extraordinary. In 2022, he secured the second spot on the list of top 22 young trailblazers in Nigeria. The following year, he was honored with the prestigious Sir Ahmadu Bello Sardauna Platinum Award of Excellence, recognizing him as the achiever par excellence by the National Association of Northern Nigerian Students. In 2023, David achieved global recognition with the Nobel Prize for Excellence, presented by the Youth Coalition for Education in Nigeria, YOCEN, acknowledging him as a beacon of hope in Nigeria. He also got an ambassadorship deal of 25 million naira with TenTrade, a globally renowned multi-asset brokerage firm. A leading figure in African Forex landscape, David Achom founded Elevator Trading Academy, imparting financial confidence to over 15,000 individuals across various social media platforms and through personalized training sessions. Beyond his impactful presence online, David is an acclaimed author and a sought-after speaker, delivering over 20 keynote speeches annually. Today, we welcome David Achom, a visionary leader, a beacon of hope, and a global force shaping the future of wealth management and financial education.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're joining us from. I'm super excited to be here, and I'm sure you are also. Okay, so I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Got in yesterday, and I've tried to just sleep a lot. I tried to sleep a lot. Okay, so that's me. Let me know where you are connecting from. Talk to me in the chat box. Where are you connecting from? I want to know actually. I want to know where you're connecting from. Like I said, I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, so I want to know where are you connecting from? Where exactly? So let's go through the chat box. Orizu Victor says, "Na me first join." Oh, sharp, 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 sharp. Amazing, amazing. Good morning, Edo Praise, Grace and Mercy Redemption Center. Good morning, OV from Warri. Good morning, Praise Adegoke. Praise from Togo. Good morning. Easy Lion FX from Ogun State. Nathaniel Omagni. Good morning. Joshua Etonihu. Good morning, Coach. Timile Oladire. Hey, I remember you, brother. How are you now? Been a while. Good morning, coach from Lagos. Amazing. So I wouldn't want to waste time at all. I would like us to, just go straight into the conversation of the day, analyze the market together, and let's see opportunities to make money. By the way, I'm not going anywhere this week, so we'll have a lot more signals for those on the signal room, okay? We'll have a lot more signals because I'll be home. Um, I'll be home a lot this week. So that's an opportunity for us to cover the um, what's the word? Cover the days of inactiveness, the days we not take trades, and all of those other things. I believe that makes sense. Okay. So good morning, Saint Paul. Good morning, Sam Oropo, connecting from Abuja. Are you related to um Apostle? Is it Michael Oropo now? Yeah. Are you related to him? Sam Oropo, are you related to Apostle Oropo? Simply Adedeji. Morning, coach. Cypher from Ilorin. Amazing. So let's look at the market together. 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 So I have a little disclaimer before we start. So this video, this live stream is not sponsored. I mean, we have partnership with brokers, partnership with some other firms, including YouTube, and then we get a little percentage if you click the affiliate link or you watch time. We get a little percentage, a little commission. All right, so that's a disclaimer I'm putting out so that you don't think I'm the one promoting the company that you clicked their ad. No, I don't know the company. However, YouTube is doing it automatically, and then we get a percentage of it. All right, so that's just a disclaimer before we get into the class for integrity and posterity's sake. All right. For integrity and posterity's sake. Now let's go to the chart. Let's make money this morning. All right, so we have a clear chart. Now let's draw structure. All these other things are irrelevant to me. I'm looking at this structure all the way up. All right. Looking at this structure all the way up. First thing is draw structure low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Okay, this is the next thing. You don't have any low, so after doing that, the next instruction is to highlight or outline the low and the high, which is this and this. Okay, before we get to the next part of the instruction, I want to be sure you're seeing my um I want to be sure you're seeing my screen clearly. Okay, God bless you. I believe you were one of the beneficiaries. Texted me last night. I got a lot of texts. I won't be sure which exactly, um except you're the one that was talking about joining in October, something like that. If you were the one, then message me again this morning. If you were the one that said you joined in October and all of those other things, then yes, message me again, please. But after this class, you message me, not now. So after doing this, I want to delete this guy. This is my most recent low and my most recent high. That's what's important to me. All right. Um. However, that's not the next instruction. The next instruction says switch to line chart and draw out areas of conferences within this zone. Three inside the zone, one above the zone, one below the zone. The rule does not change. Three within, one above, one below. I think I will need to compress this guy to really get it well. Okay, so we have one touch here, we have two touch here, we have three touch here, we have four, and we have five. So this is good enough. And I lock it. We'll draw another one. One year, 2 year, 3 year. I like this one very well. Lock it. You draw another one again. Jésù ìwọ ni mo fẹ́. Jésù ìwọ ni mo fẹ́. One, two, three. Okay. It's not bad actually. And one above the zone. Jésù ìwọ ni mo fẹ́. One above the zone. Okay, this is good. One above, then one below. One, two, three, four. Okay. So you have done what the instruction says. Instruction says three inside the zone, one above the zone, one below the zone. Are you with me? Now, the next instruction says go to 1 hour time frame. Okay? I was supposed to check if you missed anything, but I'm sure we didn't miss anything. So, switch back to candles. And on the 1 hour time frame, the strategy says you're supposed to look for, just draw Fibonacci rather. You're supposed to draw Fibonacci from the low to the high, and it says go to 15 minutes and look for either an order block or any other entry confirmation. Now, for me to effectively look at that, I'll need to lock the um I'll need to lock the I'll need to lock the candle the Fibonacci. Then here what I'm trying to look for is a bullish, maybe candlestick pattern or a reason for a bullish move because we are buying. Alright, we are buying a premium. Um I wanna buy. Okay, so this is liquidity right here, but it's not clear. And the 15 minutes is actually not clear. So this is it, right? Now, I'll give you two entries. First entry is if price fails to break the structure on 15 minutes, because 15 minutes is bullish. So we have to follow that trend and not wait for price to break it and come all the way down. Because honestly, this is an order block here, and this is a good order block. Alright, this order block here is good enough for us to ride price with. Alright. However, we can't assure the price will come there. And why can't we assure? Because number one, price has not broken structure on 15 minutes. Price has to do something like this. Alright, come break this structure, retest, then we'll now see sales into this zone. Then we'll see gradual buys up. That's what's supposed to happen. But for now, price has not broken it. So this is number one possible entry. Another possible entry, honestly, would be um because now this is liquidity. So once liquidity is grabbed, no, actually, there's no other block around here. I still think this one above is the best. However, if 15 minutes fails to break the structure, then we have to follow that structure. Which structure am I talking about? Let's draw the structure together. The structure that 15 minutes has to break, if not, we'll follow. And we have low, we have high, we have low, we have high, we have low, and we have high, right? So according to the 15 minutes time frame, this is our low, this is our high. So we can very easily, according to 15 minutes time frame, we can draw the Fibonacci on this from this low to this high. So according to 15 minutes time frame, this is our low and this is our high. So we'll be looking for um and price tapped after then 61.8 and it's going up, alright. So what we'll be looking for is price again. Hold on. Field. I'm looking for places with unfilled orders. Yeah, unfilled orders. It's still likely 61.8, honestly speaking. Um, though not a sure bet, but it's still likely 51.8, 61.8 rather. Like I said, not a very sure bet, but it's still likely 61.8. So I would like an entry again here. But there was weak rejection there. So I'll still like an entry here again. Alright. So those are our two possible entries. This is the area of light entry. 20 pips SL is okay. Alright, 20 pips SL is very okay. And take it up to minus 77. In fact, we can choose to take it up to this deal here. $90 pips TP. That's 1 to 4.5, which is good. Yeah, we can do this actually, honestly speaking. So this is another good buy. Um, this is another good buy actually. 15 pips SL is okay on this buy. And this is only valid because price has not broken below this point. Now, what will invalidate it is this. This is what will invalidate this buy. The price breaks and close below this place, then our buy is invalidated. If price breaks and closes below, then our buy is invalidated. Break and close below this line invalidates the buy. Okay. Yeah, so what we can do now is to avoid all the noise. You can delete this guy. You can also, delete this guy. We've come to 1 hour here. We see clearly that we have two zones for a buy. Yeah, this zone below, and we have this zone above. All right. Now this zone below is the long term buy. And when I say long term, I mean if price comes there, then we are almost very certain that we're taking price up here. If price comes there, okay. Yeah, we're going to keep our stop loss. Let's draw this thing again. Fibonacci. My stop loss, I'm looking for um two Fibonacci lines below. So, oh, this entry is giving us above 50%. Okay, I don't really like it, but we have to play safe. So we can use 30 pips SL. I don't think it's so bad. 30 pips SL, I don't think it's so bad. I'm saying 30 pips SL because that still gives us, no, let's increase actually. So we'll have some floats. Okay, we can float some price here. So 34 pips is okay. Okay, that's about 1 to 6 risk to reward. This one is also 1 to 6 risk to reward. Um, Personally, if I had seen a buy zone, let me be vulnerable with you guys. If I had seen a buy zone here, I would have picked this one instead of every other thing I'm picking. This would have been my best zone if I had seen a buy confirmation. I would have picked this one over this and over this. If I saw a buy zone here, but I didn't. Okay, I didn't see any buy zone. Except you just want to lock this guy for a possibility. But honestly, I didn't see a buy zone. And I'm not trying to sell because price is in a buy zone. Mistake you guys are making is you're trying to force a sell. And price is buying. 15 minutes is doing what right now? It's buying. So why are you trying to sell? Just buy. Just buy, brother. Buy. Follow the trend. Don't create something new. They've done it already. Just follow what works. Follow what works. If it works, follow it. So for this, um, uh, okay. For this, SL is TP is what's the SL on this? 1.28800. TP is 1.29900. Entry. So SL is 15.6 pips. Um, Except we adjust the entry to a round figure also. 28955. 28955. 1.28955. So stop loss is 15.5 pips. TP is it's 5.4. Okay. So this is the buy momentum I'm expecting on GBPUSD. And that's because we're trying to follow the current trend. Okay? That's because we're trying to follow the current trend. Now, all parameters are on the charts. Use proper risk management. Alright. Use proper risk management. So I'll send it to the Telegram right now. If you are on the Telegram, and that's good. If you are not, making a mistake, brother. Use proper risk management. Okay. So you're riding price to TP. There's TP1, there's TP2, there's TP3. But I would just want to wait for the final TP3 because I know that price is supposed to get there. Except price break and close below this line. If it breaks and close below this line below here, and yes, wait for a new entry confirmation down. Does that make sense, anybody? Does that make sense, you guys? Okay. I want to be sure that makes sense. So if you're not on the Telegram, then join the Telegram. If you're not on the Telegram, then join the Telegram. If you're not on the Telegram, then join the Telegram, okay? You're welcome. But now, did you guys get it clearly? If you understand what I explained clearly, you understand how I did the analysis, and you understand how I got this buy setup. If you understand it, I'm just put 777. I want you to put 777 in the chat box if you understand it. If you don't, no problem. If you don't, put 555. If you understand how I did the analysis to get here, put 777. Okay, everybody's putting 777. So that you guys actually understand how I got here. Um, so the strategy is simple. On 4 hours, draw your market structure, pick out your high and your low. So everything you're doing, you're playing inside that zone and not outside of it. Next thing you want to do is do your line chart to know the areas that has the highest probability for reversal. After you do that, you go to your 1 hour, you do your Fibonacci. If your preferred entries are too far from where prices, you break it down. Break it down to 15 minutes and do the same thing again, Fibonacci. Then you look for maybe an order block, weak rejections, or any other confirmation that aligns with your areas of confidence, and then wait for price there. Very simple. That's the strategy. I tell you, it works. Take it from me. I've been using this strategy since 2022. It works. I've used this strategy to withdraw millions from the market. I promise you. I've withdrawn millions from the market. This strategy works. Take it from me. It works very well. Alright? It works. Since there's no other question, or if there's any question, you guys talk to me in the chat box. There's no question, I'm done for the day. Now I'd like to end the live stream now if there are no questions. If you have any question, please just shoot your questions. Just shoot your questions. If you have any question at all, just shoot your question. And I'm going to respond. Just shoot your question if you have any question at all. Any question, you guys? Any question? I've been testing it on 15 and 5 minutes, and I got pretty good entries, mostly at 61.8. Yes, now. Why do you think I always wait for 61.8? I always wait for 61.8 because that's where I get the best entries from. All right. And the analysis I just shared to the group, our entry is 61.8. Our entry is 61.8. Um, there's no clear bullish and bullish confirmation yet. That's why we have not maybe started buying and whatnot. But price is still trying to drop into our zone, so our work is to wait. Our work is to wait. Our work is to wait. Nothing else. I'll walk you through it based on trending market. Exactly. And right now, market is heavy trending up. You just need price to tap again, and boom, you're following price all the way up. I'm not trying to sell, and I'm not trying to make it complex. I'm trying to buy. If price breaks and closes below that green line, I may consider selling into the buy zone. I may consider selling into the buy zone or not selling at all. All right. So have a good day. Have a good time. See you at the top, not from the top. Yeah, not from the top. Because you know what they said, the bottom is way, way too crowded. All right. I want to see you win, and please make sure you win. Please avoid distractions, and please make sure you win. God bless you.